Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Michael Vex. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I know I haven't posted any videos in a long time, but as you can see by the title below, today I'm going to be doing 2-strand twists, something simple. As you can see, I just took my hair out from a 2-strand twist. I'm going to just put it back into some 2-strand twists. So the products that I'm going to be using today, so first I'm going to be using the Kiss Color and Care Biotin B7 infused max hold gel for my middle part. I like to do like a middle part down my forehead or like right here, so I'm just going to use that. Also, I'm going to be using the Miche Bounce curl defining cream. I ordered this. It smells so good and it works really good. I love their products. I'm going to be using my Wetline Extreme Gel, my number one go-to. And we have our rat tail tooth comb. Rat tail tooth comb. Okay, anyways, whatever. So now what you guys see me doing, I'm just doing a clean part down the middle with the comb. Even though my parts aren't the best, don't judge me, but yeah. So now I'm just going over my part with the Extreme Hold Gel, just aligning it on some of my part, just so that I can use my brush and brush it over and to slick down my middle part. And because my hair is already like gathered from the other twist that I did previously, I'm just gonna go along. But I do want to let y'all know that like anytime that it's like freshly blow dried or anything like that, I don't part my hair unless I'm doing like the middle part. All my twists are freeform, so which means basically I just gather hair and twist. So I'll show you. So first, I'm just gonna get like a little dab, probably less than this actually. A little dab of the curling cream, rub it together, rub it on my hair. And I'm gonna come in with the Wetline Extreme Gel, and just gonna like a little finger side of this. Start at my roots and work my way down. And then I'm going to twist. First, I'm making sure that I have enough or even amount of hair in both pieces before I start twisting. So now I am going to twist tight and firm and make sure I go downwards. And then you can add more gel as you go if you need more, but not a lot. Just enough to, you know, hold the dry hair. I'm going to twist all the way down. And they get a twist. So another thing is with the twist, they're gonna look skinny at first, especially if you have like the type of hair texture that I have. They're gonna look skinny at first, but look, as you can see, it's puffing out. So I'm just gonna repeat these steps. I always start off with the front two first, but I'm probably gonna do like one side at a time and then the other side. So yeah. And again, like I said, just get a little amount of your finger of the curling cream. bye.